Hey everyone, and today we're diving into a fascinating topic. Is driving a right or a privilege? Let's unpack some legal myths and get to the bottom of this. Did you know that many believe driving is just part of commerce? That's right. The moment you register your vehicle, you enter the realm of commercial traffic codes. But here's where it gets interesting. A private individual, by common law, has the inherent right to travel the nation's roads without needing a driver's license or a registered vehicle. Let's look at some historical insights. From the Magna Carta to modern court cases like Kent versus Dulles and Chicago Motor Coach versus Chicago, the courts have repeatedly recognized the right to travel as a fundamental, inalienable right. These cases argue that the use of highways for travel and transportation isn't just a privilege, but a common right. Now, if no law requires a private motor-powered conveyance to be registered, why do we do it? Well, once you register your vehicle, it transforms into a vehicle subject to all commercial codes. You essentially become a commercial operator, dealing in the transport of goods or passengers for profit. But what about the everyday person not engaged in commerce? Here's where the distinction blurs. Many legal experts argue that the state cannot convert a lawful right to travel freely into a paid privilege through legal fiction or adhesion contracts. Indeed, unless you're causing harm or posing a danger, there's no reasonable cause for governmental interference. Moreover, various courts have upheld that the state cannot diminish the rights of the people without due process, stating that no state may convert a secured liberty into a privilege and issue a license and fee for it. In closing, while the legal landscape can be complex, the essence of the debate hinges on the purpose of the vehicle's use, personal or commercial. It's a topic that touches the core of our liberties and how we interpret them in modern society. So, is driving a right or a privilege? It seems to depend largely on how you're using the highways. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to think critically about the roads you travel and the rights you exercise.